Data structure means how to organize the data, means how to store the data in different ways, in different data structures. So here simply we can understand. Next, what is algorithm? Algorithm is, as I told you, that it is a step by step process, means it is a sequence of instructions written to solve a given problem. So a set of step by step instructions to solve a given problem. Suppose if you have a problem, to solve that problem, first you will write sequence of instructions, step by step instructions you will write. Otherwise you think in your mind. Okay, by practicing you need not to write on the paper. Initially you need to write on the paper, but by gradually you will, whenever you develop your skills, so no need to write on paper, you can imagine in your brain. So that sequence of instructions, step by step instruction to solve a given problem, to achieve the goal, to achieve the result. So if a problem is there and that problem to be solved, and then you will get the result. To achieve the result, to solve a problem, we need to think step by step instructions to solve a given problem, to get the result. That is called algorithm. Suppose example, if you want to add two numbers are there. So how to add two numbers? Okay, this is the question, simple question. I want to add two numbers. I want to add two numbers. First, that is the question. So result is what? If first you need to take a number and store that number in a variable, take another number 2, store it in a variable. Okay, now create a one more variable, that is sum. Suppose num1 is a variable, you assign a value to num1, so number 1. Num2 is a variable, assign a value to num2. Suppose num1 is assigned with 5, num2 assigned with 10. So sum is another third variable, is equal to num1 plus num2. Now next result is what? Print sum. This is the syntax. Okay, now let us see. As per my statement, algorithm is a step by step instructions to solve a given problem. So let us take a problem. Problem is what? Suppose here hash means, problem is what? Write a program to add two numbers. This is a problem. Okay, write a program to add two numbers. So program means we need to go for a language, any language, C, C++, Python, Java, any language. But generally we will discuss that how to add two numbers. This is the general. So first we will take a number x. Okay, that x is equal to, we will assign a value. Then in Python, take one more variable y is equal to 10. Okay, now sum is equal to x plus y. So here this sequence of instructions, take a number first. So to add this number, we will write step 1 is what? Take a number and store it in a variable. first step, take a number. I have taken this. I thought that a number 5 and store it in a variable. So create a variable, anything x, y, z. But x is equal, so it is not looking well. X, so I will take as number 1. Shortly, if you want to write now. Otherwise, as you wish. Otherwise, normally we will write number 1. Whatever you, okay. Next, take, next instruction is what? Next instruction. So we need to write the instruction as per what is algorithm. Algorithm means a sequence of instructions. First instruction and second instruction to solve a problem. Our problem is what? To add two numbers. So first I have taken a value stored in this variable. Second number I have taken, take a number, take another number, second number, and store it in a variable. I have taken another number and store y, rather than writing y, num2. Okay. Now sum is equal to, now next instruction, 3 dot, take third variable to sum. Okay, take third variable to sum, to add. To add means to add first and second numbers. Okay, take third variable. This is the third variable. You create third variable any x, y, z, sum suitable. I have kept sum because normally we write sum, addition. Otherwise you write addition, whatever. Addition is equal x plus y, but x plus y, there are no any x plus y. So you need to add the value stored in this variable and this variable. Now you write this number 1 plus num2. Okay. Now you want to get the print. Okay, you want to see the result, no? You want to see the result. So one more instruction, that is get the print of the result. Okay. So 4 instruction I have written, step by step instruction to solve this problem. Our problem is what? To add two numbers. To add two numbers, write a program in Python. So generally I have written on paper, otherwise I will think in my mind. Initially I have written for your understanding. 4 instructions I have written as per this instruction in programming. Otherwise paper you need to write like this, and then your addition, and then like last get print call the addition. Addition is what? Addition is a variable. Now this variable stores whatever the values stored in these variables. Addition. So now answer will be what? 5, 10, okay, 15. Here why it is giving error? These are the general instructions. In Python we need to keep them hash. Hash means that line of code skipped away Python interpreter. Okay, but why these lines are giving error? Okay, it is in Python. list3.py print addition. If you run this code, what is happening here? Let us see. Syntax error, which line? 136 line error is there. Here it is another part of coding.